Today's video is all about pianos. The piano is a beautiful instrument that has been captivating audiences for centuries. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, this video will cover everything you need to know about pianos, from its history to its various components. The piano was invented in the early 1700s by an Italian instrument maker named Bartolomeo Cristofori. Cristofori's design allowed for the strings to be struck by hammers, which created a louder and more expressive sound than the harpsichord, which was the most popular keyboard instrument at the time. The piano quickly gained popularity throughout Europe and eventually spread around the world. Now let's take a closer look at the components of a piano. The piano has 88 keys, which are divided into two main sections: the treble section and the bass section. The treble section contains the higher notes, while the bass section contains the lower notes. Each key is connected to a hammer that strikes a set of strings inside the piano. Pianos also have pedals, which are used to change the sound of the instrument. The most commonly used pedal is the sustain pedal, which allows the notes to ring out even after the keys are released. There's also the soft pedal, which makes the notes quieter, and the sostenuto pedal, which sustains only the notes that are being held down at the time the pedal is pressed. There are two main types of pianos: upright pianos and grand pianos. Upright pianos are the most common and are usually found in homes and music schools. They take up less space than grand pianos and are generally less expensive. Grand pianos, on the other hand, are larger and have a more powerful sound. They're typically found in concert halls and other performance venues. Playing the piano requires both technical skill and musicality. To play the piano, you need to have good posture and hand position, as well as an understanding of musical notation and theory. Some tips for playing the piano include: practice regularly to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Use a metronome to help you keep a steady tempo. Experiment with dynamics and expression to bring the music to life. Listen to recordings of other pianists to gain inspiration and insight into different playing styles. Lastly, let's talk about maintaining your piano. Pianos require regular maintenance to keep them in good working order. Some tips for maintaining your piano include: keep your piano clean and free of dust. Avoid exposing your piano to extreme temperatures or humidity. Have your piano tuned regularly by a professional. Replace any worn-out parts, such as hammers or strings, as needed. That's it for this video on everything you need to know about pianos. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the piano is a beautiful instrument that can provide a lifetime of enjoyment and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. Please check out the details in the description below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more related content.